chose is Active Directory Certificate Services, which is an Active Directory tool that lets administrators customize services in order to issue and manage public key certificates. And a public key certificate is a digitally signed document that serves to validate the sender's authorization and name. The document consists of a specially formatted block of data that contains the name of the certificate holder and the holder's public key, as well as the digital signature of a certification authority for authentication. And applications supported by Active Directory Remote Certificate Services, they have 6 components, which are the CA Web Enrollment, the Certification Authorities, the Certificate Enrollment Policy Web Service, the Certificate Enrollment Web Service, the Network Device Enrollment Service, and the Online Responder. So now I'm going to show you how to go on the remote desktop and download the Active Directory Remote Certificate Service. So you want to open up a Microsoft Remote Desktop, and you'll probably be asked to put in a username and password, but I already did that. And then you want to click on PowerShell and make sure you open it as an administrator. And then you want to type in the command get Windows feature and press enter. And then a list of roles and features should come up. The roles that say they're available, you'll be able to make a command that installs them on your computer, and then the ones that say installed are the ones that's already installed. So I already did Active Directory Certificate Services, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to use Active Directory Federation Services, and I see that that's available, so I have the privilege to download that. So then go to the end, and then I'll type the command get help install Windows feature, and then press enter. And it'll give you a list, and then you go to the syntax and see that I'll have to type this command to install my new feature, my new role, I'm sorry. And then so I'll type install Windows feature dash name, and then I'll put the name of the feature that I want to install, which is AD Federation Services, and press enter. Oh, I have to put ADFS Federation. You always want to make sure that you type the name and not the display name, because it won't install it if you type the display name. You see it says starting installation, so just wait for it to load. And then from there, you see that it was successful because it says success is true and the exit code is success. So then from there, it says to finish configuring, go to Federation server role using Windows PowerShell, but we're not going to do that. So I'm going to go to Server Manager, and I'm going to go back to my Active Directory Certificate Services, and then I have to configure this role. And you see that the ADFS just popped up over here because I just installed that. So once I go to configure, then I'll go to next and then select certification authority, then click next. And then enterprise CA, then click next. And then I'm gonna root CA is already selected, so next. So I'm gonna create a new private key. I'm just gonna keep it there, click next, 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 click next, then confirm, so configure. And then it says configuration succeeded, so then you close it out. And then that's it.